Does cracking knuckles cause arthritis? Truth or myth? Have you ever wondered if the satisfying pop of cracking your knuckles could be causing long-term harm, like arthritis? It's a question that many of us have pondered, fueled by warnings from various sources. The debate surrounding knuckle cracking and its purported link to arthritis has persisted for decades, with opinions ranging from steadfast belief to outright dismissal. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the scientific evidence behind this contentious issue and uncover the truth behind the age-old question: does cracking knuckles cause arthritis? The science behind knuckle cracking. Before delving into the complexities of knuckle cracking's potential impact on joint health, let's establish a foundational understanding of the mechanics involved. Contrary to popular belief, the audible release accompanying knuckle cracking is not the result of bones grinding together. Instead, it's attributed to the sudden release of gas bubbles within the synovial fluid, a lubricant that surrounds and protects our joints. This phenomenon, known as cavitation, occurs when the pressure within the joint capsule decreases rapidly, allowing dissolved gases to form bubbles and subsequently collapse, producing the characteristic sound. Addressing the arthritis myth. One of the most prevalent beliefs surrounding knuckle cracking is the notion that it can lead to arthritis, a chronic condition characterized by inflammation and stiffness in the joints. However, the scientific consensus on this matter remains contentious, with conflicting opinions and limited empirical evidence. While early studies suggested a potential association between knuckle cracking and arthritis, subsequent research has failed to establish a causal relationship. In fact, a comprehensive review published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics concluded that there is no compelling evidence to support the hypothesis that knuckle cracking predisposes individuals to arthritis. Understanding joint health. To comprehend the broader implications of knuckle cracking on joint health, it's essential to gain insight into the multifaceted nature of arthritis. Arthritis encompasses a diverse array of conditions, including osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and juvenile arthritis, each with distinct etiologies and pathophysiological mechanisms. While age, genetics, and previous joint injuries are established risk factors for arthritis, the role of habitual knuckle cracking remains speculative and subject to ongoing investigation. Maintaining optimal joint health requires a holistic approach, encompassing regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, and avoidance of detrimental habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Debunking anecdotes and misconceptions. Amidst the sea of anecdotes and urban legends surrounding knuckle cracking, separating fact from fiction can be challenging. One common misconception is that habitual knuckle cracking can lead to the weakening of ligaments and tendons surrounding the joints, predisposing individuals to instability and increased susceptibility to injury. However, empirical evidence suggests that the forces exerted during knuckle cracking are insufficient to cause structural damage or long-term harm to the musculoskeletal system. Additionally, while some individuals may experience temporary discomfort or swelling following knuckle cracking, such symptoms are typically transient and pose minimal risk to joint health. Longitudinal studies and scientific findings. In the quest for clarity, researchers have undertaken longitudinal studies to investigate the purported association between knuckle cracking and arthritis. These comprehensive endeavors aim to elucidate whether habitual knuckle crackers are at increased risk of developing arthritis compared to non-crackers. Despite the widespread prevalence of knuckle cracking and its cultural significance, longitudinal studies have consistently failed to demonstrate a significant correlation between knuckle cracking and the subsequent development of arthritis. A seminal study published in the journal PLOS ONE analyzed data from over 25,000 participants and found no discernible difference in the prevalence of arthritis between habitual knuckle crackers and non-crackers, further challenging the prevailing myth. Chiropractic treatment, effectiveness, and safety. Many people turn to chiropractic treatment for joint-related concerns, including knuckle cracking. Chiropractors use hands-on spinal manipulation and other alternative treatments to align the body's musculoskeletal structure, aiming to enable the body to heal itself without surgery or medication. Research suggests that chiropractic treatment can be effective in providing relief from certain musculoskeletal conditions and improving joint function. However, it's essential to consult a qualified chiropractor and discuss any concerns or pre-existing conditions before undergoing treatment. While chiropractic adjustments are generally considered safe when performed by a trained professional, rare complications such as nerve damage or herniated disc may occur. Regarding the question of whether chiropractic treatment causes arthritis or other health complications, current evidence does not support a direct causative link. However, as with any medical intervention, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits and risks and make informed decisions based on individual health needs. In conclusion, the evidence overwhelmingly suggests that knuckle cracking does not pose a significant risk of causing arthritis. While the act of knuckle cracking may generate apprehension or discomfort for some individuals, particularly those who are averse to the accompanying sound or sensation, it is unlikely to result in long-term joint damage or predispose individuals to arthritis. Armed with this knowledge, we can dispel the pervasive myth surrounding knuckle cracking and approach the topic with a discerning eye. By fostering a culture of evidence-based inquiry and critical thinking, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our joint health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found our chat helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Explore other videos on your screen for more tips on staying healthy and happy. We appreciate your support. Until next time, take care.